I am asked all the time whether or not we trade stocks or can trade stocks, and the answer to that is most definitely yes. I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today is May 11th, and it's about 12:37. And I want to show you one approach. This is just one approach to trading stocks that we will do, and it's something that you probably won't see in very many other places. This is a chart of the SPY, SPY. It is trading on a point and figure chart. So, and we teach our folks how to trade point and figure, just one of many other charts. And it has an automated strategy on it called Point and Figure Classic. And I want to show you, if you had run this particular strategy over the last 3 months, it would have returned approximately, using $10,000, it would have returned about $1,800, a profit factor of 1.53. Now that isn't all bad, and we're going to leave this open because I'm going to show you, we've set this up on 11 stocks. We're going to pick our 12th stock here in a moment, but the next stock is going to be Wynn Resorts, and Wynn over the last 3 months would have produced about $2,400, a profit factor of 1.3, shows you the number of stocks. There's the graph, not all bad. And how about FCX, Freeport McMoran? This generated a profit factor of 1.48, $5,700. Here's the performance report. A good looking equity curve, not bad. How about Roku? Look at this equity curve on Roku, beautiful. Left to right, some $7,000, 7,000 bucks. Over 3 months, trading 10,000. That work for you? How about NVIDIA? Look at this equity curve on NVIDIA. $8,000. You want the performance report? I'm sorry. Performance report 1.32. How about Visa? 1.67. $5,400. Look at that equity curve. These are accurate equity curves. How about Lam Research? Look at this one. Lam Research, over 16,000. Look at that beautiful equity curve. The performance report, 1.88. Just 390 trades. Not a lot of trades over 3 months. A perfect amount, really. Broadcom, 10,000, 1.69. That profit factor means that you're making $1.69 for every dollar you lose. I mean, you become a money-making machine over time. Look at the performance report here. Look at this. Beautiful. Align. Look at this. $9,000. Look at that equity curve right off the bat. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Let's look at the performance report. 1.35. And the next one is O'Reilly. O'Reilly Auto Parts, 1.51. $9,000. Look at this performance report. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then the last one for now, we're going to get a 12th one, is Oxy. Look at this. $40,000. $40,000 on Oxy. 1.9, almost 30, it's almost 40,000. 1.93. Now, we can also monitor these using the swing machine. But let me show you how they're doing today. I want to know how they're doing today, Donald. Let me show you. The stocks that we just showed you are right here. Wynn, NVIDIA, Broadcom, Oxy, SPY, Roku, Lam Research, O'Reilly, FCX, Align, Visa, Point and Figure, Classic Strategy, the stock symbol, and the size of the box for Point and Figure, trading a block of $10,000 on each one. These are the trades. We could sort them by date if you want. So these are the trades today. This one's just up 646, Lam Research. This one's just down. But you can see Overall, we're up on these last group, $835 some odd dollars. Now, folks can trade this any number of ways. You don't have to put in $10,000 in each one. What you can do is set the strategy on an alert and just keep rotating the same block of 10,000 as one trade ends and as another one might end, and just keep doing it over and over and over and over again. Folks, the edge comes from, people speak of the edge in trading. The edge comes from a mechanical, disciplined approach. That's where your profits and your performance become consistent. You need a mentor. You need somebody to kind of guide you through so that your trading becomes mechanical, consistent, objective. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. You're welcome to call me at any time. 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. This trade in NVIDIA today at 930.38. 31 shares. $300. How about Broadcom? Well, that was on the 7th, but here's one on Oxy. 668 shares. Went off at 10/11/35. $167. Small bites, over and over and over again. We also have what we call the Q School for trading. It's not just for futures. It's for stocks, it's for options, but we teach you the basics. That Q School is a 4-week program. 4 weeks. And it's very individual. You're not sitting in a classroom. It's self-paced education. We have over 24 hours of video instruction on how to trade, not just point and figure, 3-line break, Renko charts, how to get mechanical, how to run strategies, how to run programs, how to read the models, how to allocate, your risk. And we do that over 4 weeks. Plus, you get a live view through Zoom of the swing machine, 24/7 for 4 weeks. And you get access to me day in and day out for 4 weeks. Ask me all the questions you want to ask. Your questions will take priority over my own trading for 4 weeks. And what's the cost? $1,500. And you say, well, Bagger, why would you do that? Well, I hope at the end of that program, you're going to say, something, Bagger? I want all the indicators and all the strategies and all the tools that I've seen being used. I want them on my computer. And for that, we can... Sorry about that. We had to take a quick call, but the hope is that if you want to take advantage of all of those programs, what we will do is we will subsidize your Q School. The cost of an annual membership is $5,000, which is a lot of money, we understand, but it also represents a lot of value. Especially, this is an investment that is going to return, right? It's a return on investment. But we're going to credit back the cost of the Q School. If you successfully complete it, and you tell us within a few days of completing the Q School that, hey, Don, I want to go further, I want to subscribe for the rest of the year, I'm going to take $1,500 off that $5,000. I'm going to subsidize your education. That's only going to cost you $3,500. So you're going to get the Q School. You're going to get all that instruction, the 24 hours of self-paced training. You're going to get the live video view of the swing machine every day for 4 weeks. You're going to get all of your questions answered from me over a 4-week period. You're going to get all of that, and you're going to get an opportunity to join at the annual, which will give you all of the indicators on all of the strategies. Feel free to give me a call. Let's get started. It's up to you. 813-758-8263. Thank you.